Yours, welcome in your maths, and I got a new problem. Today we are going to prove the formula of median. So let's go. Now notice that it's not CF, it's basically PCF, as maximum student write this as CF, but it's basically PCF, which is preceding cumulative frequency of median class. Now this is our grouped continuous frequency distribution table, and now we have to write the CF value, so which is like this: 3, this is 8, and 2, this is 10, and this is 10, 1, and that is 11. So mid frequency is our median, and which is 11 by 2, 5.5, and which lies in this class range, as this class frequency lies in between 3 and 8. So this is our median class. Now let's plot the median class here in this graph. So this is Ci and this is Cf, which is cumulative frequency, and which lies from 3 to 8. So this is 20 to 30 class lies in between 3 to 8. So it's 3 and it's 8, and Ci is 20 to 30, which is class interval. So it's like this, as at every observation, which is Xi, the frequency is different. Now this is n by 2, which is 5.5, which lies something here, which is 5.5, and its corresponding Xi or observation is our median. Now connect these line like this, and it's perpendicular, and from here to here it's 8 minus 3, which is 5, and you can see this is the frequency of the median class, as you can see here. So I have to write this is the frequency of the median class. Now to calculate this length, you can see that this length is n by 2, and when you subtract this n by 2 from the PCF, that is preceding cumulative frequency, that is 3, as you can see here, so you get this length n by 2 minus PCF. Now you can see that this length is h, which is class size, that is 30 minus 20. Now you can see that this angle is common in smaller and bigger triangle, and there is 99 degree as well. So from angle criteria, both the triangles, bigger and smaller one, is similar. Now if both the triangles are similar, then the corresponding side of common angle of smaller triangle is n by 2 minus PCF, and of bigger one is f, is equals to this is x upon h. And definitely I will prove this similarity concept in the next video, and when you solve this you get the value of x, which is this length, and when you add 20 or the lower limit of the median class, you get the value of median of this data corresponding to n by 2, which is the mid frequency of this data. Hopefully you get it, so don't forget to like and subscribe.